Perfect compatible iPhone cable. Made for iPhone, iPad and iPod. Support iPhone 10 case, 8/8 Plus, 7/7 Plus, 6s, 6s Plus, 6 Plus, 6, SE, 5s, 5C, 5, iPad Air, Air 2, iPad mini case, iPad, iPad Pro 10. 5-inch, iPad Pro 12. 9-inch, iPad Pro 12. 9-inch, iPad Pro 9. 7-inch, iPod Nano, iPod Touch and iPod Touch. Compatible with all iOS 9 devices. What you get: iPhone cable, including 3 FT3 pack, our fan-favorite friendly customer service. Ultra-durable iPhone charger. Reinforced stress points with a 10,000+ bend lifespan make iPhone cord many times more durable than anything else on the market. Durable iPhone charger. Reinforced stress points with a 10,000+ bend lifespan make iPhone cord many times more durable than anything else on the market. Superior quality. iPhone connector. Syncing and charging at the same time at the fastest speed on your iPhone devices for short length. The cable's core and the multi-strand premium copper core wires ensure superior data transfer with fast and stable charging. Our technology teams make thousands of tests to ensure 100% safety for your device. Remarkable iPhone charger for outdoor. Double shielding and tangle-free design significantly enhance the interference protection to cope with any outdoor activities. The anodized connectors ensure superior functionality under heavy usage. Top reviews from the United States. Working great so far. The texture of these makes it easy to distinguish, even in the dark. They're also a bright, pretty lavender color, making them even easier to find with normal lighting. They seem durable and have been reliable since they arrived, and my only real complaint is that my kids keep stealing my extra ones. Since all cables eventually wear out, I'd hoped to keep a couple for replacement purposes, but I guess I'll just have to get more, when the time comes. Honestly, I've never had such a great charging cable.